Hey, it's declutter time. D&J, decluttering the mattress. What are we doing today?
Getting rid of the mattress.
How long we've had it here? No way.
Only a day.
Yeah, right. Only if that was true. Only if that was true. We're gonna take the mattress, carry it down. This is a Cal King mattress, so we're going to carefully remove it and put it in the front porch so one of the guys who I just called up can pick it up tomorrow morning. To recycle.
Stay green.
So, wish us luck. Stop playing around. Okay.
Alright, push.
Make sure we don't bump the lamp up there. You got it? You still got it?
Still got it.
This video is part of a collab called the Minimalism Game, Decluttering with Friends, all through the month of March, hosted by Michelle from MyEveryDayWifeLife and fellow YouTubers Gina Pearson, Karen at This Manor Mom, Love from Live Fuller with Love Fuller, Karina from Life's Little Things, and Colette from Celtic Lacey. There will be a playlist and a list of their channels in my description box below. We're going to be sharing every Sunday this month on all the items that we have decluttered. Such a fun way to help each other declutter our homes. You can find Michelle's free printable on her channel to play along.
Ooh-wee. All right, bye. One item for day one. Okay, day two. Here is an old, I won't say old, but I mean, I've had this for a while. It has Halloween on one side of this quilted table runner, and then it has Christmas on the other side. I think it's time for me to let go of this, as well as I have this circle one right here, and the Santa Claus on the other side. So I'm going to go ahead and part ways with this. Yeah, it's just time. Day two, 2 items. Bye-bye. I was up in the attic and I want to get rid of these. 3 of these. These are the Velveteen Rabbits. Look, they still have their tags on and everything. There are 3 of them. It's like an extra large one, a large one, and then a smaller one. And these were my mother-in-law's, and she left them here for us. She used to hang them on the staircase going down, all 3 of them together. I've maybe used them twice, and so they've been with us for, oh man, 20, 30. So they've been with us for over 20 years. I've only had them up twice. Yeah, so here's the large one right there. And then here is a smaller little guy here. Yeah, it's time for me to let go of these. It's just taking up real estate in our attic. 3 items for day 3. Bye, you guys.
I really want to get rid of these canisters that I've had since 2000. They're still in good shape, but I want more counter space, and I'll store my flour and sugar in my pantry from now on. So I'm trying to embrace a whole minimalism way of thinking this year.
For day 5, 5 things, I'm going to go ahead and depart with this one here. I've used it several times. My centerpiece, it's been in Vlogtober videos. I think I'm just going to go ahead and depart with that. As well as these 2 pretty roses. I mean, it is Valentine's. I guess I can hold on until after Valentine's. But I think it's time to also let go of these 2 as well. I've had this also, like even before I was married. So it's been like, oh my gosh, over 20 years since I probably used it. So I think it's time to let this go. It still works. So I'm gonna go ahead and donate that. And if you guys see my cleaning videos, remember this was in our master bedroom. We kept this just in case of an emergency, but it's like, hello, it's time to go with that too. Yeah, talk about an old phone. At least it's not the one that dials up. Remember those? It's like, hi Dee, it's year 2021. 5 items for day 5. So here is my nail polish collection. This was like a DIY kind of deal. It's a spice rack. It just works just perfectly for my area in my vanity. But I'm going to go ahead and pick out 6 of the nail polish that I don't really use. Like this one, I don't use. And that's a pretty one. I keep forgetting about that. Oh man, I could have wore that for winter time, huh? This is an old one. This is like vegan. I don't think that's good anymore. And I've never used it, so I'm going to go ahead and get rid of that one there. Okay, this one is pretty, but as you can see, it's already dried out. So that is 3. Man, this one is a beautiful color. I really like this. I don't even think the camera gives us justice, but that's dried out too. 4. And then here's another one. Look, it's totally separated. I really didn't like the color. That makes 5. This one is also another vegan, and yeah, no. And look, it's dusty. I haven't used this like forever. Okay, so this is my 6 for day 6. Bye! Okay, here's my drawer of all of this. Yes, folks. So I wiped it clean. I'm gonna go through some of this stuff. Let's see what I can get rid of and what I want to keep. Can you see that? I think it's time for me to get rid of that one. Yeah. That could actually hurt somebody. Like, somebody meaning me. So, I'm going to go ahead and get rid of that one. Some ice cream scoopers, but really, I only need just one. I absolutely love Cutco's ice cream scooper. I don't know what type of metal that is, but it melts your ice cream upon contact. So, it's easy just to scoop. You don't have to, like, use these old ones and just try really hard using all your muscle to get out some frozen ice cream. And this one, it's just time to let go of that one. Look at that. That's like heck old. I'm going to go ahead and get rid of those 2. I'm going to keep my Cutco. Same thing with this pizza slicer. This is by Farberware. It's still in good shape, but I don't need 2. Because again, we have one from Cutco and there's just, well, let's just face it, there's no comparison. So I'm going to go ahead and get rid of that as well. I don't use this, so that's just taking up space. So that's 4. Also, this one has seen better days. Yeah, no. So I can get rid of that. That makes 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are wine bottle openers. Again, well, actually, this is going to sound strange, but Tupperware has the best wine opener. This is so easy. All of my friends and family who ever use this one says, oh my god, that is so easy. All you do is just twist here and that's it. It beats this one where you have to go like this and then you have to flip it up and then pull and then you're like trying to get the cork out. No, I really rarely ever use this. I remember I had to use this when I was a cocktail waitress. Oh, I hate using these. I'd rather much use these, and it was easier to hold in my apron. And this one has other things in it too, and I like it. So if we go out on a picnic or whatever, it's just really useful. Even when you're camping or something like that, even though I haven't camped like forever. I'm going to go ahead and keep that one though, and I'm going to keep my favorite one. Alrighty, so there we are, 7 for day 7.
Give me a thumbs up and please check out my fellow YouTubers after this one. I would love it if you click that subscribe button if you haven't done so already, and please click on the playlist to view more videos in this game and Michelle's face for the free printable and more videos I know you'll like. Thanks for watching.